Hi, welcome back to Bulls on Parade. Today I'm going to be doing a quick warm-up and then I'm going to be playing a new game called Switchblade. So you have 5 sets of darts, you got 5 sets of targets. Your first set you want triple 20, triple 20, triple 20. If you score whatever your total is, as long as they are in any kind of 20. For your next set of 3, you're going to go triple 20, triple 20, and triple 19. So any of the ones that you're going for triple 20, if they hit a 5 or a 1 or anything like that, then they don't count. Your third dart, if you forget to change it to triple 19 here, and you hit a triple 20, then those points don't count. So you're going to go down, you're going to keep going through. Your last darts will be triple 20, triple 19, triple 18, triple 17, and bullseye. You're going to keep track of any of your points, mark it down, then you can try it all over again. Before I start, I'm going to be doing my quick regular warm-up, and I want to just shout out to Peter Pereira for the custom-made darts that I'll be throwing tonight. Shot darts. The ones that I usually use, the Dracar. And if you need any darts or anything, contact Mark at All About Billiards. He'll be able to hook you up. Alright, so today we're going to do Switchblade. Gotta adjust the camera. There we go. So I'm just going to do my regular warm-up. I'm just going to throw at the 20s, 19, 18, 17, and bullseye. Just going to do warm-up and get my arm moving. Okay, gonna move down to 19. Okay, gonna go up to 18. Okay, gonna go to 17. Alright, now I gotta throw a couple at bullseye. All right, so our first set of 3 darts, all 3 of them will be at triple 20. All right, so this one isn't in the 20, this one isn't in the 20, so we got 60 points. So we're just gonna mark that down. All right, so now our next set of 3, the first 2 will be at the triple 20, the third one will be at the triple 19. All right, so these are both in the single 20s, so we got 40 for that. That one missed the any kind of 19, so we got 0. So we got 40 points for that one. So now the third round will be the triple 20, triple 20, and your last start will be going at the triple 18. Alright, so both these ones are in the single 20, so that's 40. And our 18, we hit a single, so we got 58. Alright, so now this one will be the triple 20 for the first 2. The last one will be triple 17. Okay, so that one is out. So we got 37 scored. Okay, so now this one will be the triple 20, and bullseye. Alright, missed the bullseye, but I got 40 scored. Okay. So the first time doing this, got 235 scored. So I'm gonna try it again, and we're gonna try and beat it. So I'm gonna start with the triple 20 again, and then triple 19, 18, 17, and both. All right, so first off, we're gonna go triple 20 for all 3 darts. Oh, that's out, so got 40. So triple 20, triple 20, and triple 19. So it looks like we only got 20 on that one. So now we're going to do triple 20, and then we're going to end on triple 18. Alright, so it looks like we got 58. Now we're at triple 17. So we got 57. And now we're going to try bullseye. Alright, so we got the greens, so 25, and a 20, so we got 45. This time, we only got 220. Alright, so I like this one because it gives you a chance to shoot at and practice your 20s, but it also lets you change up your shot. So that way, if you need a certain number, then you can change it up to leave what you actually want. Alright, thanks, and join me next time for the next game.